The SHAPES framework is a powerful tool for analyzing personal performance. It encompasses S, skills H, habits A, attitudes P, preferences E, experiences, strategies, all crucial for optimizing learning and work performance. Each letter in SHAPES stands for a key aspect of personal development: skills, habits, attitudes, preferences, experience, and strategies. By improving these areas, individuals can achieve better performance in their professional endeavors. Why do two students with equal intelligence perform differently in AI courses? Differences in habits, attitudes, strategies, and experience play a significant role in shaping their performance. Skills are the abilities that help you perform effectively, including technical skills like Python and ML, communication, problem-solving, and time management. An AI engineer uses Python for modeling and communication skills to explain predictions. Habits are repeated behaviors that shape success. Good habits involve consistent learning, testing, debugging, and reflection. Checking model performance daily instead of waiting until deadlines is a great example. Attitude is your mindset toward challenges, failure, and learning. Positive AI attitudes include curiosity, open-mindedness, and willingness to revise assumptions. A researcher treats model failure as learning, not defeat. Preferences are how you like to learn or work, whether alone or in groups, visually or text-based, morning or night. Learning improves when preferences are matched with suitable methods. Experience increases confidence and understanding. More exposure leads to better judgment. A student who built chatbots understands NLP better than one who only read theory. Strategies are planned approaches to achieve goals, such as step-by-step debugging or using a train-validate test pipeline. Using cross-validation before deploying a prediction model is a strategic approach. Self-awareness means understanding your own beliefs, emotions, assumptions, strengths, and weaknesses before making decisions. It's critical in AI to prevent biases from entering data, models, and interpretations. In a biased hiring system, self-awareness helps detect hidden bias and prevents unfair decisions. An engineer questions the training data and redesigns the dataset to be balanced, showcasing the power of self-awareness. In a medical diagnosis system, self-awareness prevents over-reliance on technology and improves safety. A doctor reflects on the system's limitations and orders additional tests, ensuring accurate diagnosis. A self-aware critical thinker questions AI predictions by checking data sources, reviewing biases, considering context, and using AI as support, not final judgment. This approach ensures more accurate outcomes. Words shape thinking, and labels influence perception. In AI, biased labels lead to biased models. Critical evaluation of data is required before training to prevent bias in facial recognition systems. The meaning of information depends on context. Critical thinkers ask who said it, why, and under what conditions. AI systems may behave differently in different environments due to changes in data distributions and user behavior. Strategies guide thinking and decision-making by breaking problems into parts, comparing alternatives, testing assumptions, and reflecting on outcomes. Hypothesis testing before deploying an AI model increases accuracy and robustness. Strategies guide thinking and decision-making by breaking problems into parts, comparing alternatives, testing assumptions, and reflecting on outcomes. Hypothesis testing before deploying an AI model increases accuracy and robustness. Let's summarize what we learned. Critical thinking is essential for responsible AI development. We explored why critical thinking matters, ancillary skills that support decision-making, underlying thinking skills, the SHAPES framework, self-awareness and bias detection, strategies for better problem-solving. Remember, great AI engineers are not just coders, they are critical thinkers. Subscribe to Adu AI Verse for more lectures on artificial intelligence, machine learning, critical thinking, cybersecurity, emerging technologies. Thumbs up, like, speech balloon, comment, bell, subscribe for more tech education parts.